Welcome back, Kryptonians, to the Chart Experts' continuing coverage of Bitcoin and the crypto charts. We are back looking at Bitcoin and interesting times once again. So, as we had forecast previously, we have seen a move out of the accumulation zone at all the way up to 25k. So we saw a breakout of the accumulation zone, and now we saw price move up and over the 29k level, which we had a pop out above 29k and an immediate reversal out of that zone, basically. Okay, so we were looking for a close and then another close above that level, and for that level to be holding as support. Now, that hasn't happened. We've seen a little bit, not a lot of it, but a little bit more selling than we were expecting at 31k. Okay. Now, there's one main reason why this would happen. Obviously, we're seeing profit taking at 31k. Which is logical. But when we had this initial push out of the 25k zone, there was a wick up on the lower time frame. So I'll show this to you. So there was a wick up to collect these buy orders and then a move back down again. So these buy orders were already collected. And then we had some consolidation and then a move higher. So now that we're going back into this zone here, it could simply be, the most likely cause for that is that there may be new participants in this market who are obviously breakout traders, and these could be institutional breakout traders as well. And because we've seen a breakout and above 25k, they may have placed new orders above 25k. So anywhere along these lines, basically. So anywhere between 25k and 29k. And they may simply be looking to accumulate more Bitcoin. Okay, so that's the most likely cause. Am I expecting for Bitcoin to retest 25k, 25 and 25.3k? It could happen if we've got sufficient demand above 25.3k. It could happen. We have to give the market room to breathe and for new participants to take their place, really, before we see any move higher. Okay. So the next question is, okay, right, so price could revisit that 25 to 26k zone. It could, or it could simply just continue to move higher if those orders have already been taken, and this is just short-term selling from the 31k down to roughly 27k. Okay, so we're giving the market room to breathe and for all these whales to make their moves. Again, we have to remember that we are trying our best to read what the whales are doing, and that could be, it always is a moving picture, which is why it becomes so complex. But at the same time, it's clear to see that we have seen accumulation up to 25k. We've seen a breakout above 25k. There may be new entrants here, So we're just going to label that. So possible new entrants. Let's just put that in there. Excuse me with my hay fever. Okay, so possible new entrants looking to buy into Bitcoin above 25k. It would seem logical. They would want to grab a position before the market continues to move higher. Okay, so we are still expecting for that 32k level to be tested, and we have to entertain the possibility that new entrants are looking to place orders before any market moves higher. Okay, I hope that short and sweet update has been helpful to you. If it has, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe. Hey, this is Asim at the Chart Experts, wishing you every success. Join me on my Patreon channel where I can keep you more regularly updated. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and your crypto. Till next time. Bye-bye.